Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add Steam gift card funds to your Steam wallet. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your account management page where you can view and modify various settings related to your Steam account. Once you're in the account details section, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click on it. This is the gateway to adding money to your account, whether through a credit card, PayPal, or in this case, a gift card. Clicking this button will open up several payment options for you to choose from. Now, in the right panel of your screen, you'll see different methods for adding funds. Click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This specific option is designed for users who have physical gift cards or digital codes they want to apply to their account. It's a straightforward way to instantly boost your wallet balance without linking any payment methods. Next, you'll see a text box labeled Steam Wallet Code. This is where you'll enter the unique code from your gift card. If you have a physical card, you'll find this code on the back, usually hidden under a scratch-off panel. If you received a digital gift card via email, the code will be clearly displayed in the message. Carefully type the code into this field, making sure there are no spaces or errors, then click Continue. The system will validate your code, so it's important to enter it exactly as it appears. After clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to fill up all the information needed. This might include confirming your account details or agreeing to Steam's terms of service. Complete all the required fields and follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. Give the system a moment to process everything and apply the funds to your wallet. And that's it! You've successfully added your Steam gift card funds to your Steam wallet, and you're now ready to purchase games, downloadable content, or anything else available on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.